I'm Bobbie Kerr, and this is my husband, John. We actually started showing our animals here in 1951, and we've been showing them ever since, or we have been managing some of the departments here at the State Fair. I saw something done in California, and it was called barn tours, and I thought, what a nice idea, because they gave so much information. I talked to the fair here, and they let us set up an area, and we talked to them about the sheep, the goats, the pigs, and the dairy and the foods. We've just condensed it to where they're all in one place.
Well, the fact is to tell people and show them that everything we eat and everything we wear comes from the farm. And you'd be surprised at a lot of things that grown-ups don't understand. Like, for instance, how many eggs does a chicken lay in a day? They think 12 because it comes in a carton. We feel it's an educational thing in a fun kind of way.
Most of them are our own animals. We bring our own poultry, and most of these animals that you see at the fairs are grown, full-grown animals. And so we bring in the younger ones, and we put them in larger pens so that as you walk down through the exhibits of a lot of the cattle, you're walking just behind them. And so we bring pens big enough so that you can see how they actually interact and walk and lay down, and they're pretty natural in the way that we bring them. We are very happy to be able to share agricultural information, and our area, we actually try to make it comfortable and inviting to the people so that they can come in and relax and almost feel like they are on a farm. We get a lot of comments like that takes a lot of people back to the farm, and that's what we want to do.